So it's March the 1st and I'm just about to go and take a test drive in a Model 3 Tesla, which is actually probably long overdue since I've been a passenger in one and I've sat in one at trade shows and things like that. But today's the day I finally get to find out, is it the ultimate electric vehicle to buy today? It's meant to be the first day of spring today, so despite the sunshine, the weather doesn't seem to have got that memo and it's chucking it down. So this is going to be a pretty wet test drive.
And how that works, how that operates. You know, a lot of people go, how does that work? How does long distance travel work?
So, the first thing I found out to my cost was that the drive selector is not the indicators, and if you're not careful you can put it into neutral just at a traffic lights with everybody honking and beeping behind you. So the heated seats come on really quick. In fact, it's a really nice place to be.
In 1,000 feet, enter the roundabout and take the first exit.
So the first thing you notice with the Model 3 is there's an awful lot of information on the screen. It really is overwhelming, and I'm a really techie kind of person, so I don't know how other people would deal with this. I'm actually in a Tesla Model 3 performance version, and one of the things I'm obviously interested to try with it being the performance version is just how powerful the thing is. So I'm going to give it a minute and see if I can put it into sport mode all round. And it's just suddenly perked up. All the road limits around here seem to be particularly low, which never gives you a chance to see how fast it is. Oh my goodness, it really is fast. Oh my god, it's breathtaking. Crikey. This is a very, very quick car, unbelievably quick car. Steady, steady. Oh my goodness. Play The Prodigy. Oh my god. Finally I'm on a country road where there should be no speed limit. So hopefully I can get a straight bit in a minute and give it a go at a 0 to 60 test. 0 to 60. Oh my goodness, scary. It's scarier than a motorbike. Nothing can prepare you for this. It is just such a bonkers car to drive in. Absolutely insane. But way too much fun. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my goodness. That was 60. Wow. You couldn't have one of these for your everyday car. It's just completely insane. It does put a smile on your face though, but you'd need to know the roads to drive this thing as quick as it can actually go. It's actually got my heart racing. It's so quick, it's unbelievable. Oh, this car is so much fun. So the difference between sport mode and chill mode is quite noticeable. So in chill mode it's just a really quick car. In sport mode this thing's an absolute madman. If you bury the pedal in sport mode, this is like literally the closest thing I can imagine to the feeling of time travel. The panoramic glass roof is actually quite nice, but because it's so tinted you don't really notice it anyway. It might be just because it's a grey day today and lots of clouds around. So I suppose the thing to say about this test drive in the Tesla is it's very impressive. In fact, there is just too much stuff in this car to comprehend in just half an hour of driving it. The speed is unbelievable. The autopilot, when I figured out how you actually turn it on, which is different to the other cars, that's pretty amazing as well. The traction from the four-wheel drive is staggering, absolutely staggering. It's a very nice car. The kind of visibility out the back, not great. The complexity of the infotainment or controls on the touchscreen is kind of overwhelming. One thing which is definitely overwhelming is the speed. This is the Performance Edition, and it's quite simply breathtaking how fast this thing picks up. To the point of being frightening, that's how quick this car is. Would I have one? Yeah, it's amazing. Is it worth the extra around about 10 or 20,000 pounds over the standard version? Who knows? I don't think it probably is, because I think this is probably more power than you're ever going to need on the roads today. The most likely thing that this will cause is loss of your licence. I think unfortunately it's time to go and give this thing back. So it's been fun. Oh my goodness, I'm sitting here in the queue to give the car back, trying to get into the car park, and you can actually get full internet on the touchscreen in the car. That is just simply amazing. I can't think of any other vehicle you can do this in. Look at that. You can even get YouTube and Netflix in the car. Incredible. Anyway, from me for now, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.